Hi guys. Hello guys, ito na naman po tayo sa isang vlog. Vlog about sa buhay-buhay. Hindi naman vlog to, um, parang some incidents of my life so dito sa ating journey sa Europe. So yesterday, I would like to share naman sa inyo is yesterday, yung most of yung mga nagtatrabaho dito sa Croatia, mga Filipino. So this is the actual na accommodation, one of the rooms na tiniran namin. So yan ang actual room namin. It looks good in the video pero it's not that good kung sakali. And there were around 5 people here and 3 of them went to Poland already. And the 2 were on my own batch coming here. So they transferred, the two guys transferred sa another hostels. I don't know because medyo hindi natin alam na medyo makalat dito sa labas, sa kitchen. One of my vlogs na nung unang pagdating ko dito is medyo talagang hindi mo parang natatakot ka, hindi siya malinis. Talaga na parang presentable as mga ano. Anyway, so umalis na silang 5. And for me naman, kasi I was actually sleeping on the other rooms with the Indonesians. And hindi sa on my past experience kasi I snore, and most of my Filipino roommates na di-disturb, kaya ako pa rin na nahihiya at nakakahiya na. Tapos may masasabi, ayoko ng ganun na. So mostly hindi ako masyadong natutulog sa part ng kasama ng mga Filipino mostly. So anyway, may narinig na pa naman ako sa mga Indonesians or some guys, pero they really respect talaga. So unlike sa Filipino, sasabihin nila sa iyo, sila naman silent. Most of na nakasama ko is medyo silent na lang sila or something. I don't know, but anyways, nilinis ko. So nilinis ko yung kwarto, inayos, much better na ako nag-iisa. Pero I'm sure na mayroon darating na mga pupunta dito from Poland. So hindi ko alam, much better na mas comfortable sila sa snoring ko. Ayun. So yeah, I want to show my room. Actually not my room, one of my na tulugan. Ayan. So ayan na siya. So ang daming langaw. So ayan. Puno. Kahapon ko lang nilagay yan. So ayan, ang daming langaw. Kasi nga nasa kusina, andun yung basura nitong mga katabing ibang lahi is tapon lang ng basura. So ganon. So yung basura is nagiging nalalangawan kaya dumadami yung langaw. So palagi kong ako pa naman is medyo gusto kong maglinis. Hindi naman ako na ano sa paglilinis. Gusto ko maglinis, nag-ayos ng bahay. Pero syempre, dapat na rin malaman nila, hindi yung parang katulad na linis ka nila, parang maid na ginawa sa'yo. Pero at least natututunan, medyo lumilinis na yan. So, ayan. This is how I fix the room. I couldn't say my room. Yan. Yeah. So, yan ay nilagay ko yung aking and mga kailangan ko, inayos ko. Rice, that's rice. So, stock ko ng rice. Galing pang Poland. So, almost 1 month na rin ako dito. Soap, binigay lang. Actually yung mga ano, is yung mga kinukuha ko lang is yung binibigay. Actually, ganito yun. Ayokong gumastos. Kasi parang it's some things na useless na gumastos. Kung meron naman, hindi mo naman gagamitin lalo. Katulad just this pants. These pants. One of the Filipinos na sabi raw niya, hindi ko na dadaling niya kasi lang, bla 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 bla. So, tinignan ko lang naman, sinek ko, maliit, hindi siya exactly maliit, medyo stretchable naman siya. So, when I came to Poland, I just had 2 maong pants, then few dress, maybe 4 dress, hindi dress, so dress, t-shirts, briefs, yan, maybe 4, 5 briefs, socks, 3. So, hindi naman ako poporma. Wala naman akong popormahan. So, and I know myself, kung sakaling magpoporma ka, I know myself na kaya kong pumorma. Pero yung gagastos, there's no thing na para gumastos ng ganun. There will be good. But there are important things na I need to spend my money to something else. To pag-ipunan. That's my experience here sa pagiging OFW. This is my third country. So I wish that I could travel more. Right? So that's it. So company dress, I just took some things sa used kasi I will not be staying here for long. I'm here for just 3 months, and I'll be going back to Poland then there. And what else? At least they gave me some stock of food, things to use like this one. Okay, that's it. And well, what can I say? I hope na may experience niyo to once people who's coming here for work, huwag na kayong gagastos. It's better na send your money sa mga people who need it most sa place nyo, and try to invest something good in your money instead of buying things na hindi mo naman gagamitin kung poporma ka lang. Just few. Well, it doesn't go to everybody. Kung ikaw yung person na maporma and that's the thing you used to do para you earn more money, go on. I'm not forcing you to, I'm not stopping you to do that. But for me, wala naman akong popormahan. So, once na even my hair, I couldn't go to the barber kung sakali kasi the barber maybe um, costing too much because the hair they spent in euro but they gave us in zloty, so and it's far. I don't have any time going to that place, so and there's no there's transportation but you will need to pay, so it's yung I'll just titingnan ko lang kung sakali sino man dito naggugupit. Just cut it off. Ayan. What else you should know? Anything. Anyways, yan. About the dress, about this lifestyle ko ngayon. I hope, actually, meron pa. Meron akong yan, sweatshirt. So, nakuha ko lang yan. So, di mo naman kasi halos magagamit kasi you're working 6 days. 6 days a week. So, mostly 10 hours. Others are 12 hours. So, kapag nasira na yan, I'll just throw it. That's how I use my dress. Kapag nasira, wasak na o na hindi mo na maano talaga, just throw it away. Anyway, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ito pala. About sa sa food. Meron kami kasing sa namin, sa work namin. Meron kaming meal. So, sausage yung meal namin. They gave me 3 sausages. So, I just ate the one sausage. Kasi with potatoes, so I just bring the 2 sausage home. That's it. So, anyway, thank you very much. Bye.